Revision petition. So Section 115 of the Code provides for revision by the High Court and order of decision of any court subordinate to such High Court. Revision is not a continuation of suit but is altogether a separate proceeding. Ordinarily, appellate jurisdiction involves a rehearing and is invoked by an aggrieved person. Revisional jurisdiction is analogous to a power of superintendence. The conferment of revisional jurisdiction, generally for the purpose of keeping tribunals subordinate to the revising tribunal within the bounds their authority to make them act according to law and according to well-defined principle of justice. The extent of revisional jurisdiction and appellate jurisdiction is defined by the statute and has to be considered each case with reference to the language employed by the statute. Revision means looking back to what is already done and corrects the same. The question raised before the Malmat Committee, whether it is at all necessary to retain Section 115 view of Article 227 of the Construction, the Malmat Committee feel that the remedy provided by Article 227 is likely to cause more delay and involve more expenditure. The remedy provided in Section 115 is, on the other hand, cheap and easy. The committees therefore felt that Section 115, which serves useful purpose, need not be altogether omitted, particularly on ground that an alternative remedy is available under Article 227 of the Constitution. Revision is a separate proceeding, therefore, a fresh wakalatnama would be necessary to enable advocate for doing the needful. When in case the successor of the original landlord has been impleaded and the implement would not cause failure of justice or the petitioner would not suffer irreparability, irreparably, held the revision against the order of impleadment is misconceived. Now, Section 115 of the Code lays down that the High Court may call for the record of any case which has been decided by any court subordinate to High Court, and in which no appeal lies thereto, and if such subordinate court appeals to have exercised its jurisdiction not vested in it by law, to have failed to exercise its jurisdiction so vested, or to have acted in exercise of its jurisdiction illegally or with material irregularity. The High Court may make such order in case as it thinks fit, provided that High Court shall not under this section vary or reverse any decision and issue in the course of a suit or other proceedings except where the order, if it had been made in favor of the party applying for the revision, would have finally disposed of the suit or other proceedings. The High Court shall not, under this section, vary or reverse any decree or order against which an appeal lies either to the High Court or to any court subordinate thereto. A revision shall not operate as a stay of suit or other proceedings before the court except where such suit or other proceeding is stayed by the High Court. Explanation. In this section, the expression any case which has been decided includes any order made or any order decided an issue in the course of a suit or other proceedings. That's all. Thank you.